I'm Randy Coston, owner of Coston Tool Repair in Sneads Ferry, North Carolina. Started my business back in 2008 doing outdoor power equipment repairs. Became a Country Clipper dealer in 2022. I feel that the Country Clipper brand is well worth the money for the quality. I try to only offer my customers the very best, whether it's a battery or a blade or whatever. I only offer them the best. I research everything, and that's why I brought Country Clipper, because I feel like they are the best brand on the market. After I first saw these mowers, I saw the quality and durability in them and knew that is what I wanted to offer my customers. Most of the folks that I sell to are coming off of a tractor style mower. They don't know if they want the joystick or the twin stick. I usually have both in stock of the same model, so they can compare apples and apples. Most folks really like the joystick. The guys that purchase the mower, the joystick mower, says that they can drive with one hand and hold their beverage in the other. A lot of the women say they like the joystick because they can drive with one hand and lift the limbs out of their way so they can cut under a tree. I think the quality of cut of a clipper is superior. I like to say we sell the best and service the rest.